What's the meaning of brier? Brier. Brier.
Brier. Brier. Brier can refer to two different things depending on context. In the context of gardening, a brier is a prickly shrub or plant with thorns, while in probability theory, brier score is a way to measure the accuracy of probabilistic predictions. The brier score calculates the mean squared difference between predicted probabilities and actual outcomes, with lower scores indicating better accuracy. It is commonly used in meteorology and sports forecasting to evaluate the skill of forecast models. Overall, brier can either refer to a type of plant or a statistical measurement of prediction accuracy.